2025 is packed with insane gadgets. Here are the top 5 you need this year. Starting off with number 5, we have the Eufy RoboVac 30C robot vacuum. Say goodbye to carrying your vacuum all over the house and fumbling with useless cords. This super cool gadget has your back, and it does the cleaning for you. It's got a 3000 PA strong suction, a self-charging base station, and is app-controlled too. It's not the cheapest at $200, but it's worth every penny if you ask me. Number 4 is the Anker Prime Power Bank. A solid power bank that charges to 80% in just 35 minutes and can keep your devices alive anywhere. It's got triple 100-watt ports, meaning you can charge multiple devices at once, and it even has a built-in stand. Plus, it's all somehow crammed into a tiny package that's smaller than a soda can. Now that's what I call portable. Number 3 is the Bluetti Solar Generator Elite 30V2 Power Station. Forget lithium-ion batteries. This is the world's first sodium-ion battery backup with 4 times the cycle life. It means you'll have reliable power for your home or adventures without the worry of running out of juice. And with 288 watt-hours of capacity, you can power your mini fridge, recharge your devices, and it even has an optional solar charger as well. That's like having an unlimited power source, except it's not. But still pretty darn close. Up next, we have the Earfun Air Pro 3 earbuds. These little guys are a game changer for under $60. They've got amazing sound, active noise cancellation, and are super comfortable to wear. In fact, they're so good that you'd think they cost twice as much. So if you're looking for a budget-friendly audio upgrade, look no further. And finally, the JBL Go 4 speaker, which is basically a tiny powerhouse. It's waterproof, it floats, it's incredibly rugged, and it pumps out seriously loud sound for its size. We're talking about a speaker that can handle any adventure you throw at it. Whether you're hiking, camping, or just hanging out by the pool, the Go 4 will keep the party going. So there you have it, folks. 5 awesome gadgets that'll make you feel like you're living in the future. From robot vacuums that automatically charge themselves to speakers that float, these inventions are truly one of a kind. Which one would you buy first? We have left shopping links for you in the description below, so let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more great tech drops leading up to Christmas. Until next time, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.